Tired of the traditional path to success based on grades and conventional careers? Your 20s are a pivotal decade. Your choices can lead to financial freedom or endless debt. Here's the twist. You don't need to be the next Elon Musk to be financially secure. Wealth is about living your desired life without debt, not just billions. Believe a standard education and 9-to-5 are the only ways to wealth? Not so. Dive into this video to uncover realistic ways to prosper in your 20s. Plus, don't forget to check out the description below for a curated list of the best personal finance books that have personally guided me on the path to financial freedom. Now, let's dive into how to get rich in your 20s realistically. 1. Education. Education, as they say, is the cornerstone of success. However, when we talk about getting rich in your 20s, we're not referring to the conventional education system. No, we're talking about something more vital: financial education. The kind of financial education that can set you on a path to true financial independence isn't typically taught in schools. It's like a hidden treasure chest waiting to be discovered, and those who seem to teach it within the traditional education system often fall short of true wealth. As Robert Kiyosaki aptly puts it, they're fake teachers. If you're serious about your journey to success, you need to learn from the real teachers who have walked the path of financial success. People like Jeff Bezos, who transformed an online bookstore into one of the world's largest companies. These are the individuals who can offer priceless insights into how to build wealth. But it doesn't stop there. Reading financial books authored by these real teachers is a crucial part of becoming financially literate. These books, some of which are available in the description below, are like roadmaps to success, filled with invaluable strategies and wisdom that can help you navigate the complex world of finance. 2. Define your financial goals. What does rich really mean to you? Is it the stratospheric wealth of Jeff Bezos, or perhaps a more modest but still substantial $1 million in your retirement account? The beauty of it all is that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Every individual defines wealth uniquely, and your path to riches should reflect your aspirations and desires. It's about setting financial goals that align with your vision for the future. To crystallize your objectives, ask yourself these thought-provoking questions. When do you envision retiring? Is it an early retirement filled with adventures, or a more traditional retirement? What grandiose dreams do you have? Maybe it's a second home in a picturesque location, an art collection that speaks to your soul, or a cellar brimming with the finest wines. Are you planning to start a family? If so, you'll need to consider the financial responsibilities that come with it. Is saving for your child's education part of the plan? Ensuring a bright future for your offspring might be one of your top priorities. When you close your eyes and imagine your retirement, what does it look like? Is it a cozy downsized home, globe-trotting adventures, or perhaps owning vacation homes on both coasts? Lastly, what legacy do you want to leave behind for your children and family? The answer could be an invaluable inheritance that ensures their financial security. By answering these questions, you're defining your goals and determining the financial roadmap you need to follow. It's about shaping your own destiny, setting realistic targets, and plotting a course towards becoming rich. 3. Work experience. When you're just starting out on your journey to riches, working for a paycheck should never be your ultimate priority. Sure, earning money on the job is fantastic, but it shouldn't be the sole focus. Instead, think of your job as a priceless stepping stone, a key that unlocks the secrets of how businesses operate. In the grand scheme of things, your job isn't just about the paycheck. It's about gaining invaluable experience. It's about learning the ins and outs of how sales work, how people interact with your business, and the intricacies of running a successful operation. These experiences you gather at this stage in your life are like nuggets of gold, worth their weight in financial wisdom. Remember, experience is the teacher you don't want to miss out on. It's the difference between launching a business that soars to new heights and one that crashes and burns within its first year. By learning from the triumphs and pitfalls of other businesses through your work experience, you're gaining a competitive edge that can't be bought. 4. Avoid debts. In today's fast-paced world, it's easier to stumble into debt than it is to climb out of it. Financial services are practically throwing credit cards at you, tempting you to embrace a lifestyle of endless spending. But here's the plot twist. What's a breeze for them is a tornado for your finances. Having a shiny credit card in hand makes it feel like you're holding the key to limitless spending. Suddenly, saying no to purchases becomes difficult because you've got that magical plastic card that can make it all happen, right? Wrong. You may not realize that every swipe is a pact with the devil, a promise to pay back not just the principal amount, but also the interest that accrues. Here's the unfiltered truth. Spending with a credit card often ends up costing you way more than if you just paid cash up front. It's like paying extra for the convenience of postponing your payment. But guess what? You can escape this financial quicksand. Either do away with credit cards altogether, or only spend with them what you can pay back right away. The higher the interest rate, the more you're shelling out in the long run. That debt can linger like a shadow, growing larger with each passing day, until you find yourself caught in a debt trap. 5. Live on a budget. To be rich, you need to master the art of financial discipline. That starts with creating and sticking to a budget. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life or depriving yourself of enjoyment. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to make informed and deliberate financial choices. Think of your budget as your financial roadmap, guiding you toward your wealth-building destination. When you have a budget in place, you gain clarity on your income and expenses. It's like having a spotlight on your financial habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can make smarter decisions. But remember, your budget should be realistic. There's no need to make drastic cuts that leave you feeling miserable. Instead, focus on trimming the excess. Evaluate your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Do you really need that daily coffee shop latte, or could you invest that money elsewhere? By making conscious choices, you can redirect funds toward investments and savings. 6. Invest. Investing is your secret weapon in the journey to becoming rich. It's all about putting your money to work for you, rather than just letting it sit in a savings account. Here's a fundamental principle. Prioritize assets over liabilities. To break it down, assets are like money magnets. They bring money into your pocket. On the flip side, liabilities are money drains. They take money out of your pocket. The magic of investing lies in time. The longer your money stays invested, the better. Why? Because of interest. Interest allows your invested money to grow over time. And the real game changer is compound interest. It's like a snowball effect, where not only does your original investment grow, but the returns on that investment also grow. In other words, your money multiplies itself. You can invest in stocks. Although the stock market has its ups and downs, history has shown that it always bounces back. Investing early gives your money more time to recover from market downturns, ensuring your financial security in the long run. To make investing a habit, automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account, or use payroll deductions at your job. If you don't have an investment account yet, opening an online brokerage account is a great start. Think of retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, which offer tax advantages and long-term growth potential. You don't need to contribute a large sum when you're just starting. The key is to start, even with small amounts. Your 20s are the perfect time to establish these financial habits. You can simply increase your contributions as your earnings grow in your 30s and 40s. Ramit Sethi, a self-made millionaire, offers valuable advice. Don't try to be 40 before you're 40. Your 20s are a unique period of your life. While building financial security is essential, embracing the energy, time, and opportunities of this stage is equally important. So, by investing wisely and enjoying life in your 20s, you're setting yourself up for a future where you can have it all. 7. Diversify your investments. The saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," couldn't be more relevant here. Diversification is one of the critical concepts of successful investing. When you embark on your investing journey, remember that building a diversified portfolio is like creating a financial safety net. It's your shield against the unpredictable twists and turns of the market. Imagine if you had invested everything in just one asset, be it cryptocurrency, a hot stock from yesterday, or the latest can't-miss investment your neighbor raved about. One sudden downturn and your wealth could be wiped out. Diversifying your portfolio is about spreading your investments across different asset classes, each with its own risk and return profile. This strategy helps you balance growth potential and risk management tailored to your financial goals. If you'd like to learn more about how you could diversify, subscribe, and I will be having a future video on this topic. 8. Network with like minds. Let's discuss the influence of your social circle on your wealth journey. The saying, like minds attract each other, is especially relevant today. The individuals you associate with directly shape your financial outlook. Consider this. If your circle consists of people complacent with debt or living paycheck to paycheck, you might adopt similar views. However, when you engage with those hungry for success, it can be transformative. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, investment-savvy individuals changes the game. They become both your support and inspiration, leading to discussions on strategies and learning from each other's experiences. And that concludes our video on how to become rich in your 20s realistically. If you want to learn more about financial freedom, click on the suggested video on the screen, and be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss our next video.